Here we have a 2018 68 plate BMW 430D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle does come with over £4,800 worth of optional extras included. Now we do have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have your LED headlights, the black front kidney grills, full M Sport styling kit on this vehicle, so you get the black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also a rear diffuser. Going along with the black wheels, you have your blacked out styling, so with the black wheels you get the black privacy glass on the rear and your black window trim. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, dual chrome tip exhaust, flush of the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, power assisted rear tailgates from a touch of a button, and that reveals a nice spacious sized boot for the size of this vehicle. That's also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Going to the rear, I will show you a bit of the interior. Full Dakota leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest. On the doors you get your electric windows and the integrated premium hardened carbon speakers. Going into the front, there's a quick look at the driver's front seat. Now driver is fully heated electric and memory, and also the passenger is heated and electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, integrated harman kardon speakers. Jumping inside the vehicle, the auto lights just down there, multi-function steering wheel, paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode, keyless start from a touch of a button. So you have your auto high beam assist just there as well. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 71,190 miles. Multifunction stereo, cruise control and speedometer. You have your satellite navigation screen in the centre where you can find your Apple CarPlay and also the satellite navigation. Now it has rolling shutter on the camera, that is just the camera on the phone, nothing to do with the screen in the centre. You have your navigation, your media connectivity, you have your DAB radio, you also have FM music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB, you have your Bluetooth phone, different drive modes, Eco Pro, Comfort and Sports Plus. Pop car into reverse, front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. Dual zone climate control just down here with ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats just there as well, both working how you would expect them to. As you can see, no issues whatsoever. Storage tray, pop this open, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, truck control on and off drive mode, parking sensors, and this is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen if you're not using the touch screen function. Soft touch leather arms moves forwards and back and also lifts up. And there's a look at the passenger's front seat with the extended thigh support. Now this vehicle is available to take away today for free, contactless nationwide next day delivery. HPI clear, comes with fresh service and new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2018 BMW 430D XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how I'd expect it to. As you see, I'm mounted to 5-wheel steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to left or to the right hand side. Multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift. If we stay the car into manual mode, you also have your auto high beam assist on the indicator stop. We have your auto lights, integrated harman kardon speakers that do sound absolutely incredible. You have your cruise control and speedometer on the left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel as well. We have very complete full Dakota leather seats throughout this vehicle. Now we do have the memory front seats which are electrically adjustable and also heated. You can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now you have your screen in the centre where you can find your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio, connectivity, DAB radio, your satellite navigation, your front and rear parking sensor with visual display, your rear reversing camera, and you also have your Apple CarPlay preparation on this vehicle. Dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon. You also get your heated seats, as I said before. Very nice for those cold winter mornings, and also the ice cold aircon for those hot summer days. Put that on and within minutes you'll be lovely and cool. You have your BMW individual trim with your gloss black trim throughout this vehicle, making the interior of this vehicle very, very nice environment to be in. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any odds and knocks or bangs. If you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any. This shows suppose we're buying a used car. Now here at Ars Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google Autotrader and CarGurus. If you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, coming up to the industrial state, I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop straight into reverse, and just show that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect. So you see pop up on the sensor screen, the road reversing camera. So pulling in now, and I'll do a countdown for 3 for the emergency stop. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there on the sensor. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test show and walk around video, please feel free to contact the sales team, where they can answer any of those, can answer the questions and inquiries. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Test drive it, see you from you soon. Cheers.